Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool, a big house with car parking. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's take our black marker. Let's start by drawing a big triangle roof on top. Now, under the roof, draw a rectangle for the house. Next, let's draw a smaller triangle roof in the middle. And add 2 pillars inside it. In between the pillars, draw a door. Great! Now let's add 5 windows around the door. 2 on each side and 1 at the top.
La da 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 dee.
Let's make it pretty. Draw some bushes and a road in front of the house. On one side, let's draw a mailbox. Now for the car parking. Draw a car parking area next to the house. And inside it, draw a car. Behind the parking, let's draw some big trees.
La da 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 dee.
Finally, up in the sky, let's draw a shiny sun. Nice job, everyone! Our house with car parking drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's grab our rainbow colors. While coloring, say each color name clearly. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color.
Yay!
Blue color.
Wow!
Purple color. Brown color. Pink color. Light pink color. Light blue color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Our house looks so colorful and amazing. Great job, everyone! You did an awesome job drawing and coloring a house with car parking today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings here at Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.